For making a moulded candle, you'll need to get blended wax for moulds, you'll need to choose your fragrance and colour, you'll need candle wick for paraffin wax, mould sealer, wick pins for keeping the wick in place, a mould of your choice, and a thermometer. The basic equipment that you're going to need for making candles are kitchen scales, a ladle, something for stirring, and for melting the wax you can do it in a number of ways. You can either use it as a bain-marie with a smaller saucepan inside a larger saucepan. You can buy a specific wax kettle and use that, or you can also buy a specific heating tool. When you're using a mould to make a candle, you need to prep the mould first. Take a length of wick and you'll need to thread that through. Once that's through, you can then use a wick pin, or if you prefer, you can use a pencil or pen, just something to keep the wick still. If you're using a wick pin, you need to pierce the wick, and then there are guides on the top of the mould that just sits in. Just pull it through at the bottom tightly. And secure in place with some mould sealant. You can then trim off your excess wick. Next up, you'll need to weigh out the dye. I'm using about 1 gram of this dye for about a 500 gram of wax. Your candle will need about 4 hours to set, but once it is, you'll need to remove the mould sealant and trim the wick, and the wax has been designed so that it should slide out.